Hello everybody, namaste and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you the tutorial of India Arie, I Am Light. And let's see which chord we need for this mantra. So the chords that we need for I Am Light from Indian Arie are the A, it's the D chord, the G, and the C. I just want to let you know that I'm playing on the ukulele with a low G string. So if you have a high string, it can sound differently. So let's look how we play I Am Light in DOWNSTRUM today, in picking pattern and in the island strum. The things my family did, or any of the voices in my head, and I am not the pieces of the brokenness inside. I am light. 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 I'm not the mistakes that I have made, or any of the things that cause me pain. I am not the pieces of the dream I left behind. I am light. 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 I am divinity divine, and I am the God on the inside. I am a star, a piece of it all. I am light. I'm sorry for my voice today. It's awful, right? But now you have an idea how you can play it, and I will cut it into pieces in the next video clips to learn you and to teach you how to play it in DOWNSTRUM. So let's go. Come, Mikey. Yeah. So the beginning, it's the, let me see, Shambo, what is it? It's like a little bit like the chorus, you call it. You start at D and you get slowly 4 DOWNSTRUM. So I show you, you can play with me. So I start always like with 3 Shambo. This is not working. So let's try that again. Shambo is here somewhere else in the room. So if you hear some background noises, you know he's playing. He's a little kitten, 3 months old, and he is fully on at the time now. So if you hear other sounds, you know it's him. Anyway, I am light. What I need to say is that we have a chorus, and the chorus is I am light. I am light. The song starts with that, and in between the verses we go back to the chorus. The chorus you play slow. It's like 4 down strums on D. I am light. I am G, light. Then you go back to D again. You play the chorus twice. I am light, I am, and then the second part on G you strum 3 times, light, and then you stay in position G, and the first verse is coming. So when you hold the G chord, it's like I am not the, and on things you start the strumming down, but the pace is differently now. You're going to strum twice the chord quickly, like I am not the things, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you go to A, my family, and then D, but D every time you play 4 times, did, or any of the G, voices, A, in my D, 4 times again, head, I am not the pieces, A, of the D, 4 times, brokenness in C, also 4 times, hide on G 1 time, and now you get I am light, but this is the quicker one, it's not the chorus, I am light. You can play it 6 times or 8 times, I do it now 8 times. I am G, light, and the G you can play as often you want, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, it's just how you feel intuitively that it's good for you. And from this I am light part, we jump back to the beginning chorus, and you get more the slow pace again. Start at D. I am light, I am light, 4 beats on the D and the G in the first part. Second part of the chorus, second time, D. I am light, I am, to G, 3 times, 3 beats, light. And then this song repeats itself, because now we're going to verse 2. And again you get the pace of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's all the time G, G, A, D, 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 G, G, A, D, 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 D. Only at the end, sometimes she rises a voice of keeping the tone, longer. It's mostly on the C chord, you get again 4 beats. So let's look at the second verse. You come from position G, from the chorus, and then it goes, I'm not the mistakes to A that I have made on G, any of the G things that cause me the pain. I am not the G pieces, A, of the D dream I left me to C, 4 times, hide on G. I am light, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am light. And you can count as much as you want. Now I do 8 times D and a few times G. But if 6 times D feels better for you, it's up to you. Feel from the inside. It will change every time. And the freedom is there also to play with that. From that I am light, you go again back to the chorus. You know that already now. So let's play it. I am know the 4 beats down. I'm sorry for Shambo. To D. I am light. I am G 3 times light. So the third verse, you stay again in G. I am not the color of my D 4 times eyes. I am not the G skin. A on the out 4 times D side. I am not my G H, and I am not my D race. My soul in C side. C 4 times, G 1 time. It's all light. All light. Back to the chorus again. I am light. I am light. Oh yeah, we are. Again to D. I am light. I am G 3 times light. And then the last part. Stay in G. I am divinity. D on D. Fine. I am the G God on the A in 4 times D side. I am a G star, a piece of it. D 4 times O. High C 4 times high. G 4 times high. I am, and on the light. So Mitzi and I hope you can play now the downstrum version of I Am Light. If you also want to learn the picking pattern version or the island strum version or both, please go to my website www.pramsunita.com, where you can find the full tutorial and the cheap music of I Am Light. And remember, you are the light, and shine your light, right? Anyway, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this tutorial, for following my channel, and for supporting me on my website. See you soon. See you next time. Wishing you a lovely day. Yeah, Mitzi, you too? A lovely day, guys. Bye-bye. Shine your light.